Hello and welcome back to another video. Just want to say sorry for the lack of videos recently. I've been busy working on my game, which I'm going to be releasing soon, and also some other things that I had to do. But I'm returning back with a video today to talk to you about the new Roblox feature, which can allow you to earn more money from your games outside of the DevX program, and it's called Premium Payouts. So Premium Payouts are Roblox's way of rewarding you for having good games. Okay, so if you have a game which Roblox Premium subscribers play quite often and they are engaging with your game, so they're spending quite a lot of time in that game compared to other games, Premium Payouts are calculated based on other games, how they score as well. The Premium Playtime, which you can see here, that is your score, which tells Roblox how good your game is at keeping players engaged with your game to keep them playing. Okay, and the higher this Premium Playtime score, then the higher your Premium Payout is going to be. And as I say, this score is compared to other Roblox games as well. So you can view your own Premium Playtime score, and you can also see your Premium Payouts. Now, if you don't have many players concurrent in your game, then it's likely that you're not going to have much of a high premium score, so you're not going to be earning much from Premium Payouts. But if you do have a game that does have quite a few concurrent players consistently, then it's something that you might want to check out and have a look at your score. So, and if we just have a look here, to increase these payouts, you can encourage your players to buy Premium, so Roblox Premium. You can encourage them to subscribe to Roblox Premium by, say, adding certain things in your game. So, for example, if you buy Roblox Premium, then you will get access to this map, or this level, or this sword, or this item in my game. So you're giving them benefits if they buy Roblox Premium. Now, that's up to you, whether you implement that into your game. You don't have to, but this is the Premium upsell model. That's something different, where you can let people purchase Roblox Premium straight from your game. But that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about Premium Payouts. So let me just show you how you can view your Premium Payouts score. So on the games page, if you just click on the three dots, now you can only do this for your own games, so you can't do it for someone else's, but if you go to the developer stats over here, and just wait for that to load. Okay, so if you click on Premium over here, you can see that this graph will show you the Premium Playtime and the Premium Playtime, the Premium score and the Robux that you've earned from that. So it's calculated every day based off the amount of time that Roblox Premium subscribers spend playing your game. So if they spend more time, then you're going to earn more. And Premium Playtime Robux earned depends on your score. So if you have a lower score, you're going to earn less money. But this is an empty graph because this is a game which isn't public and it's not advertised or anything. But if you do have a game which does have a consistent amount of players in it all time, then you should start to see a score and some Premium Playtime Robux accumulating here. Now, I did say earlier it was separate to the DevX program. Now, I'm pretty sure that you do have to still cash out the Robux earned from Premium Payouts through DevX, but what I meant was that it's a different way of monetizing your game instead of game passes and developer products, which are the usual things which you would DevX from. There's also a great article on the Roblox developer website, which I'm going to link to in the description. Basically tells you what you should be using the premium purchases for, so don't make it pay to win, don't give more beneficial things that can influence your game to premium subscribers. Be honest, avoid paywalls, etc. And it also gives you a better guide and to see how your charts work here. So I had an empty chart, but you can see this is what it looks like on an average game. So you've got your score, and then you've got your Robux earned. So it is likely that your score is going to be higher than the Robux that you earn, because that is used to determine how much Robux you will receive. For example, if you had 800k playtime Robux earned, then your score here, you see there's two different scales. So there you go. So also there's some scripting guides as well on how you can add premium benefits in your game. Probably be covering this in a future video as well. But go give it a read. It's very good, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. So that's all you need to know about the new premium payouts. Hope it was useful, and good luck using it in your game.